When it comes to natural language processing tools, Hugging Face and AI21 Labs are two names that come up frequently. But which one truly offers the better NLP solutions? In this video, we're diving into both platforms to see how they stack up against each other and what sets them apart. Stick around till the end, because I'll share a surprising conclusion you don't want to miss. First, let's start with Hugging Face. Hugging Face is well known for its open source ecosystem, especially with its popular Transformers library. This library offers pre-trained models for a wide variety of NLP tasks, such as text generation, translation, summarization, and more. Its community-driven nature allows developers to contribute and improve the models, which has made it a go-to for many. Next thing, Hugging Face is also known for its large model hub. Users can browse and fine-tune a massive range of models to suit specific use cases, which is an advantage for developers looking to experiment or create custom NLP solutions. However, while Hugging Face's flexibility is a huge draw, it can also be overwhelming for beginners, especially if you're looking for a quick and easy way to implement a solution. Now, let's shift gears to AI21 Labs. AI21 Labs takes a slightly different approach. Their flagship product, Jurassic 1, is a powerful language model designed to compete with GPT-3. One of its standout features is its ability to generate highly coherent and contextually accurate responses, making it an appealing choice for tasks like chatbots, content generation, and personalized recommendations. Moving on, AI21 Labs offers a more structured and user-friendly platform compared to Hugging Face. While Hugging Face requires a bit of technical know-how to get started, AI21 Labs aims to make NLP accessible to a broader audience with a simpler API and intuitive setup. This is especially beneficial for businesses that want to integrate NLP into their applications without a steep learning curve. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Hugging Face offers both free and paid tiers depending on your usage, but the free options can be somewhat limiting, especially if you need access to larger models or faster processing speeds. AI21 Labs, on the other hand, also offers a pay-as-you-go model, and while its pricing isn't too far off from Hugging Face, the more streamlined nature of the platform may justify the cost for businesses looking for a less complex solution. But there's a catch: both of these platforms, as impressive as they are, have their weaknesses. Hugging Face's steep learning curve and the vast number of tools and models can be intimidating for people who aren't well-versed in AI development. On the other hand, while AI21 Labs Jurassic 1 is incredibly powerful, some users report occasional inconsistencies in response quality or less customization compared to the open-source flexibility of Hugging Face. Now, if you're still not sure which one is better for your specific use case, let me tell you, both of these tools can get the job done, but after trying them myself, I think there's a better alternative. If you're looking for a solution that combines powerful NLP with ease of use and reliable performance, I've found a tool that stands out. If you want a better alternative for the NLP tasks you're tackling right now, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're a developer or a business looking to implement NLP, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and remember to check the description for that exclusive offer.